Okay, well, I'd like to welcome everybody back to Where Are They Now with Colour in Your Life. And I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic lady who's a magnificent talent. Lynn Jaanz, how are you, darling?
I'm very good, thank you, Graham.
It's been fabulous. I mean, our relationship has been fabulous, hasn't it? It's just such a pleasure to see you and David all the time. Now, Lynn, funnily enough, is, apart from being a great artist, is also one of the head or leading singing coaches in Australia as well for many famous singers throughout the country. So that's amazing on its own. But tell me, since you've done Colour in Your Life, how's things been going?
Unbelievable, Graham. That's all I can say. Just not. It's just been phenomenal. When I first rang and we did the show, I from then it's just excelled. I use the program. I shoot them off to galleries. I shoot them off to clients. Obviously, the wonderful thing about getting on this show is you. Mina, you and the family, the art family, the connections that has happened along the way. It's been absolutely amazing. And not Colour in Your Life is just not, you just don't do the program. You go beyond. You've helped me in the background. You advised me. And I'm truly, truly grateful. It's been amazing. Thank you, Graham. Now you're really close to my heart. I can see you, bro.
You're a darling. You really are. So in a sense, I mean, how have you used the show as you've gone along? What did you actually do with it?
Well, when we first did the first program, which was at York Street Art Gallery, a couple of months later, I had an actual exhibition and I put on a big screen, which was really good for my clients because they were able to view that whilst having their wine and looking at the artwork, and that was successful. I also used it when we did the Hong Kong show and things overseas. I actually shoot the video off to them. One of the beautiful things about this video is, which people don't understand, is I've been getting messages from my clients who has also purchased my book as well. And what they're saying is they're able to connect with the artist and therefore appreciate your artwork in a different level. Because most people that buy art, well, I believe most people, is they have to have this connection with the artist. And if they can't personally see them with COVID and everything, we can do it, through Zoom, but also they can view Colour Your Life and, see what I'm all about. And also I've got some other material, but Colour Your Life has been the main one. I shoot it off at Instagram. Every so often I'll shoot it back onto Facebook, say, guys, view it again and view that, and then link it back to my YouTube. So, yeah. Fantastic tool, fantastic.
And you've also been really successful at doing overseas exhibitions as well. You've got one coming up in Venice, is that correct?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Well, this is amazing because through this lockdown, I didn't shut down. I went aggressively.
Yeah.
And, they contacted me. I kept getting these emails. I thought, look, I'm going to go for it. And also you advised me on a few things as well. Thank you, Graeme. And I think it's great for your profile too, to be able to be active through this time. For me, I've probably been the most successful through this time, and that's because of Colour Your Life, the video, and other tools that I've used. Yeah, it's great. In Venice, they're still going ahead. They're wearing their masks. They do everything. But yeah, I'm now thinking of going to London now, so I'm really excited. So my art is travelling, but I'm not travelling.
Well, I think they opened up the borders yesterday. I think international flights start very soon.
Yeah. That should be good, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. I probably will, but I honestly feel that Colour Your Life video and online and directing to your website. Yeah. People are sitting at home. Some people are still scared. They don't want to go out. And believe it or not, Graham, people got money out there because people have stopped traveling, and myself as well, because I used to travel every year. And people want to spend their money. And I think art is a great tool, and people appreciate, their personal best, obviously, in their home, whether it be me or other artists. Yeah,
absolutely. So tell me about your beautiful husband's relationship with what you do. I mean, David's just a fantastic guy. How does he work with your art?
unbelievable. It just supports me. Yeah, it works really well because also we're very blessed to be in a position we are because we're in the industry and we have a huge database. Obviously, I have my separate database for my art and my database for the school, and so that is all kind of come together.
Mm.
And you know, David, he adores me, as you know, Graeme.
Mm.
So he's there for me, supports me. I mean, it's very unfortunate that I've had to actually step down from training because my art is just too overwhelming. It's taken off. So I haven't been teaching for about 3 months, and everyone keeps on ringing me and wants me to teach again. But you got David, so it's all good.
That's fantastic. Well, I'd really like to thank you for your time today, Lynn. It's you're a blessed human being. You really are. You're a fantastic girl. And we're going to do some great things with you. We've got some pretty amazing things coming up in the future. So, but thanks for your time, and it's been an absolute pleasure.
I'm excited, and thank you, Graeme, and your team. We love you. Bye.